Namaskar, dear viewers. I am Sanjeev Mukherjee. Welcome to my channel Astrology in Real Life. Right now, I am going to discuss with you how July 2020 will be good or bad on all the 12 signs. Right now, I am drawing here the sketch that is for July 2020. July 2020. This is a North Indian style chart which I am drawing in front of you. In this is the July 2020 horoscope. Here three planets are retrogrades. One is Saturn, another is Jupiter and Mercury. And how these planets affects on all the sign and the lagna, all the 12 zodiac signs and the lagna. First, we are going to discuss on Aries sign, which is number first sign of the zodiac. The lagna lord of Aries, that is Mars, and Mars is at the 12th sign, which is the Jupiterian sign, which is the friend sign. So the people who born in the sign or in the ascendant, their health will be good, that is no doubt. And the second house, that is dependent on our property, on our speech. This is Ayu of husband and wife. And Venus, who is the owner of this sign, sees the hair and the own sign. That is the reason this sign is also in favorable of them. And the third sign, that is the Shakya Bhav. Shakya Bhav means that our personal relationship with our relatives, our native, brother, sister, all these are related with this third house. And Mercury is the retrograde planet, it is its own sign. And Sun is also there with their Mercury. So Bladitya Jog create here. And Rahu is the Mercury, is a sign of the Mercury. So Rahu is also a good position. So the Shakya Bhav of these people are also good. But we have to remember one thing, the Sun changing sign every month. In July, Sun will change sign. That way on 17 July, Sun will come here in the Cancer sign. Moon is moving very fast in the zodiac. So Moon 2.5 days, Moon is crossing one sign. This is the fastest planet of the zodiac. And Saturn and Jupiter, these planets are the slowest moving planet and the zodiac sign as per Vedic astrology. So the fourth house which is related our domestic peace. Fourth house is our mother. So the moon this totally will depend on the position of the moon, position, aspect and conjunction of the moon as per the position, because the moon is moving very fast. Then the fifth sign, that is our education, that is our children, everything is dependent on the fifth house. The fifth lord, that is the sun. Sun is the posted first part of the July, that is in the sign of Mercury, that is Mithun Rashi, Gemini sign. So this is also good. But when the sun is come, when the sun will come at Cancer on 17 July, then this position will be quite bad. After that, I was discussing with the seventh house. Seventh house is the wife, is the seventh lord is the Venus, the moon sign. The seventh house is also good, and that is Bhagya, our faith, that is deep, our faith, that is totally different than the ninth house. Nine lord Jupiter and the retrograde motion, and it is as his own sign. So the ninth house is also good for these people who born in this sign, and the 10th house is our workplace, that is the office. The 10th lord Saturn in retrograde motion and the own sign. So this is also good for the people who born in the Aries sign or Aries ascendant. And at the same time, this is a gain house, this is 11th house. This is also good because the Saturn is the owner of this house, but Saturn is at the 10th house. This is own sign, that is in Capricorn. So they can gain everything easily. And 12th house is the loss, and the Mars is posted there, and the Moon Master, the Lagna Lord, is posted there, and at the Jupiterian sign. So this is also good. So in this discussion, it is very clear to us, the people who born in this Aries, that is, the people who born in this Aries, July 2020 will be very good for them. Second house of the zodiac, second sign of the zodiac is Taurus. Taurus, the Venus is the owner of the Taurus, and the Taurus, Venus is posted here, so the health is good. And the second house, the Sun and Mercury. Mercury is the owner of the sign, and it is with Rahu. Okay, this is the property. This indicates our property. It indicates our speech. That is also good. After that, third house, that is Shaktava. Shaktava, the moon is the owner, and it is dependent on the moon position. Moon is moving very fast. 2.5 days is equal to one sign. This is the movement of the moon, and sun is changing sign every month. 17, 15, 16, 17 in between. That is as per the rising of the Hindu Panchang. The fourth house, this is the fourth house. This is our domestic peace, relationship or mother is also good because the sun is posted at the Udadita Yog in the Gemini sign at the Mithun Rashi. So it is also good. Be faster because after the 7th and 17th, sun will change the sign. 17 July, sun will come in Cancer. So that from that, this house will be bad, quite bad. Fifth house, that is our education position is also good because the Mercury, who is the owner of this sign, is another sign, is a sign that is the Mithun Rashi, Gemini sign. So the education of these people is also good. Seventh house, that is the Mars, is the owner of the seventh house, and Mars is the Jupiterian sign, the friend sign. So Mars is also good. So the relationship with the wife, the married life will be happy of these people. Eighth house, that is our Ayu, Jupiter is own sign, that is so the Ayu is also good. And ninth house, that is the Bhagya, that is God's place, that is Saturn is there, and Saturn is the owner of this house, and Saturn is the owner of the two houses. 9 and 10 is two houses. As is not fair, their workplace, their office, their workplace, their fame, fortune, their fate, everything is good. In this discussion, it is very clear to us that the people who born in the Taurus, the July 2020 is also good for them. Next sign of the zodiac, that is Gemini. In Sanskrit name is Mithun Rashi. The Sun, Mercury and Rahu, the three planets conjunction are here. Mercury is the Mercury is a retrograde motion, and Mercury is the owner of this sign, and Buddhatikya Yog is here. That means the people who born in this sign, their health is also good. The second house, this is the speech, this is the property, this is the depend on the moon. This moon moves very fast. As a result, the fact is depend on the position of the position, aspect and conjunction of the moon. After that, the third house, third lord is the sun, and third house is Shakya Bhava. Shakya Bhava means relationship between the relative, brother, sister, neighbor, and all these are the good for this sign, for the Mithun Rashi, for the Javanese sign, and ascendant also. Fourth house, fourth lord, and the Lagna lord remains the same, the Mercury. So the fourth, the relationship, the domestic base will be there, relationship between the mother, and this is also good. And the fifth house, this is the Venus, the owner, and education is also good, child is also good, because Venus is the own sign. Seventh house, the Jupiter is retrograde motion, the own sign. So seventh house is also good. The married life will be happy for this people. But there will be quite a little problem because the Ketu being a shadow planet is posted there with my Jupiter. But Jupiter is very powerful here. It is more powerful than Ketu. 8th and 9th lord Saturn. Two houses lord of Saturn. Saturn is posted in the 8th house. So their eye will be good, their fortune, their fate, all are the good. And 10th house of Mars is also posted in the 10th house, the Jupiterian sign. And the Mars, this is his 10th house. So this is also good for income. And the 11th lord is the Mars, is also the Jupiterian sign on the Meen Rashi. This is Pisces last sign, so this is also good. And this discussion is very clear to us. This is the July 2020 is also good for all the people who born in Javanese sign, both ascendant and Rashi. Fourth sign, that is Cancer. Cancer is the fourth sign of the zodiac. Owner of the sign is Moon, and Moon is the fastest moving planet in the zodiac. Moon is crossing every 2.5 days is equal to one sign. This is the movement of the moon. So the health is dependent on the moon position, aspect and conjunction. The second house, this is the property, that is the speech. This is also good because the sun is in the Mithun Rashi, the Javanese sign is also good. Third house, this is also good because the Mercury is the owner and Mercury is also his own sign in the Mithun Rashi, Javanese sign. The third house is also good. That's in the relationship between the neighbor, brother, sister, all there will be good. And the fourth house, the domestic peace, there is enough domestic peace, and the mother is also good because the Venus is at the own side. How the education? Education is also good because the Mars is the owner of the education, and Mars is the Jupiterian sign, so education is also good. This is the sixth house, the Jupiter. 6,000 Jupiter is there, so the sixth house is also good because there is not any enemy on the July 2020. And after that, seventh house, the Saturn is there. Saturn is the 7th and 8th house, and Saturn is close to the 7th house. So it is very clear that the married life will be happy for the short people who born the Cancer sign or Cancer ascendant. 9th house is our luck house, Bhagya Ghar, and this is the luck house, and now the Mars is there as the Jupiterian sign, so the luck is also good. And the discussion, and it's very clear to us that the people who born in the Cancer sign, that is also good, the Cancer sign ascendant, that is also good on July 2020. Right now, we are going to discuss the fifth zodiac sign, that is Leo. Singha Rashi as per Sanskrit name. Sun is the owner of the sign, and Sun is posted in the Mithun Rashi or Gemini sign with Mercury and Rahu. So the first 16 July the Sun will be there at the Mithun Rashi. So it is very good for the people who born on Leo sign or Leo ascendant. The second lord, that is Mercury. Mercury is the owner of our speech. Mercury is the owner of our property, and Mercury is the Un sign. So it is also good. And the third house, that is Sakyabhav. Sakyabhav, and Venus is the owner of this house, and Venus is posted another sign, Un sign. So it is also good. Fourth house, this is domestic peace, relationship of mother. That is also good for these people. And fifth house for education. This is for education, and that is for our children. Children education is also good because Jupiter is the owner of this sign, and Jupiter is posted there. After that, sixth house and seventh house, both are the owner of the Saturn, and Saturn is at the Un sign. So this is the relationship of the wife. Marriage life is also good. Ninth house, this is the luck house. That is also good because Mars is there, and Mars is the Jupiterian sign, which is the front house. Eighth house, the Mars is at the 8th house, so it is also good for Ayu. Ninth house is the owner is also the Mars. This is the luck house. This is the luck house, 9th house for the ascendant or Lagna. This is Leo. This is also good because Mars is the sign of the Jupiterian sign. And 10th house, as the indication of our workplace, office, the Venus is the owner, and he is also there. That is also good. In these circumstances, we can tell you very clearly that the people who are born in the Leo sign or Leo ascendant, this is also good. Next, the sixth sign of the zodiac, Virgo. Virgo, Mercury is the owner of this sign, and Mercury is posted in the Mithun Rashi, which is the another sign of Mercury, and Mercury is with the Sun and Rahu. This is the Buddha Yoga creates there. And the second house, this is property, that is speech. The Venus is the Kalaka, and the Venus is good position at the Moon sign, so it is also good. The third house, that is Sakyabhav, Mangal. Mars is the owner of this house, and Mars is posted at the Jupiterian sign. This is also good for relative relationship between the relative, native, brother, sister. Okay, and after that is the fourth house, Jupiter. This is domestic peace, mother, integration there. Jupiter is the owner of this sign, so it's also good. And the fifth house indicates our education. That is fifth and sixth house. Saturn is the owner of the two sign. So fifth house is also good. Education, competition, all these parts are also, and the child, all these parts are good for the people who born the Virgo. Seventh house, Mars. Mars is the position posted in the seventh house, the Jupiterian sign, and the front house. So the married life is also happy for the people who born in the Virgo sign or Virgo ascendant. The Venus, 9th house is our luck house. The Venus is the owner, and she is posted at the same sign. So this is also good. And 10th house, Mercury is the owner, and Mercury is there with Sun and South. Income will also be, office is also good, income will be good. And in these circumstances, it is also clear that the people who born in the Virgo sign ascendant is also good. Right now, the seventh sign of the zodiac, that is Libra. Libra, the owner of the Libra, Venus is one sign, so the health is good. And the second house, our speech, This is the Mars is the Jupiterian sign, so it also indicates the good. This is Ashakya Bhav, third house, Jupiter, Un sign, so Shakya Bhav is also good, and our domestic peace, happiness, this indicates our fourth house. Saturn is the owner of the fourth and fifth house, so the fourth and fifth house means our domestic peace, our education, our children, all these are good on July 2020 for the Libra ascendant and Libra sign. 7 Lord, this is the relationship of the married life. How is the married life? Married life is also good because the Mars is the owner and Mars is posted in the Jupiterian sign, so it is also good, and Jupiter is Un sign, so the married life is happy. And the Bhagya Bhav, the luck house is also good because Mercury is the owner of this sign and Mercury is at the Un sign, so it is also good. 10th house, this is the moon, and moon that is dependent on the moon's position, aspect and conjunction, because fastest moving planet in the zodiac. And the gain, gain is also there. And July, because the sun is the Mithun Rasi with Mercury and Vidhatitya Yoga, but after 17 July, they cannot gain easily. This is the scenario of July 2020, the people who born in the Libra ascendant or Libra sign. This is the Scorpio. Scorpio is the 8th sign of the zodiac. The people who born in the sign or ascendant, their health will also be good because Mars is the owner of this house and Mars is a Jupiterian sign, so it is also good, and their property, their speech is also good because as per the influence of the Jupiter, as it is a Un sign. And third and fourth house, Shakya Bhav, domestic peace, all these are good as per the position of the Saturn, because Saturn is posted at his Un sign. How is the education? Education of the Scorpio sign, that is also good because the Mars is there and Mars is a Jupiterian sign, so it is also good. And Jupiter, who is the owner of the sign, is the Un sign, and then Rasi Sagittarius sign, that is also indicates the good, so the education will also be good. And the married life is happy because the Venus is the owner of the married life, so Venus is Un sign, the married life will have to be happy. 9th, this is the house, luck house, that is dependent on moon position. Good. 10th house of the Scorpio, that is the sun, and sun is the posted in the Jupiter is the Mercury sign and the Mithun Rasi. So the sun position is also good. That means and 17 sun will be here in the Cancer sign. So until 16 the income will be good, and the gain is also good because sun is the Mercury is the owner and Mercury is in the house. So they can gain easily. This is the picture of the people who born in the Scorpio sign and ascendant. 9th sign of the zodiac, that is Sagittarius. Jupiter is the owner and is the own sign, so their health is also good. 2nd and 3rd house, which indication our speech, our property, our personal relationship, neighbor, brother, sister, all these are part of the good and according to the Saturn. Mars is the owner. Mars is posted as 4th house and Jupiterian sign, and Jupiter is the Un sign. So the 4th house, that means there is domestic peace. There is enough domestic peace for the people who are born in the Sagittarius sign. Right now, the 10th sign, that is Capricorn. Saturn is the owner of the Capricorn. Saturn is posted at the Un sign. So health is also good, and Saturn is also the owner of this sign, which is the 2nd house. This is the speech, that is the property, that is also good. And 3rd house, the relationship of the network, brother, sister, and the Mars is there, and Jupiter is the owner of the sign and his own sign is also good. And the 4th house, that is the domestic peace, Mars is the owner of the sign and Mars is here, then the fourth house is also good. And the fifth is education. If Venus is the Karaka of this house and Venus is posted at the own sign, so that is also good for education. Seventh house, that is our spouse relationship. This is, they are different on the moon position because moon is the first moving planet. Luck house and the Mercury is all positions and the luck is also good. All these people who born on the Capricorn sign and ascendant also. And the 10th house is the office, also good because as per the Venus position, there is the own sign. And also the luck house, the Jupiter is posted here the own sign, so luck is also good. The 11th house, that is the gain house. The gain house is also good because they can easily achieve the goal as per the position of Mars, because Mars is the owner. Mars is the Jupiterian sign. So in a word, we can say that the people who born in the Capricorn sign, this is also good for all the aspect. Next sign is Aquarius. Aquarius is the 11th sign of the zodiac. Saturn is the owner and Saturn is posted in sign, so the health is good. And their Mars is the second house, the Jupiterian sign, friend house. So their health, their speech is also their health, their speech, their property, good. Their Shakya Bhav, that is also good on position of the Mars. And Matri Bhav, domestic peace is also good because the Venus is the own sign. And the house education of the Mercury. Mercury is the Karak of this hair, and Mercury is the own sign. So the Madhati Tijok, so education is also good. How is the married life? Married life is also good. On July, the person who born in the Aquarius sign, married life is also good. And the luck house is also good on the account of the Venus position. Because Venus is the own position on the Taurus sign. Aquarius sign, how is the job? The job is also good because the Mars position is the Jupiterian sign, so job is also good. And how the gain? The gain house, the Jupiter is the own sign here, and so the gain can easily gain everything. So in this time we can say the Aquarius, the people who born in the Aquarius sign, that July 2020 is good for them. The last sign of the zodiac, that is Pisces. The Lord of this house, that is Jupiter. Jupiter is at the own sign at the Sagittarius, so it is good for the health. Mars is the second Lord and Mars is the own position. The Mars is the Lagna at the Pisces. So it is either Lagna, Rashi, whatever you can tell him. So that this is the indication that good. Because Dhoni Yoga creates here. And the third house is the Shakya Bhav is good because Venus is the own sign. And the fourth house or domestic relationship of mother, it is also good because the Mercury is here. And Mercury is the owner of this sign and Mercury is also here and it creates Bhadaditya Yoga. So that this is also good. Education depends on the moon because moon is the first moving planet and moon position, aspect and conjunction indication. Education of the spice. And competitive, they can easily gain the competitive exam or any kind of competition before 17 July. Because on 17 July, Sun will change the sign. And how is the married life? The married life is also good because Mercury is the Kalak of the marriage for July, only for this particular sign, as a sign, and Mercury is Pun's house. This is in the Gemini sign, which is known as Mithun Rasi. So the married life is also good. The luck house. The luck house is there also good because the Mars is the owner of this house and Mars is posted the Jupiterian sign here. So this is also good, their luck house. And how's the office? Their office is also good because the Jupiter is the owner of this house and is posted the own side. And how's the gain? Gain house. Gain house, Saturn is the owner of the gain and expense both the two houses. So they can gain easily, but the expense will be less. So in these circumstances, after the total discussion of the horoscope, we can tell it very clearly the July 2020 is the best month for all the sign and all the ascendant of the zodiac. Thanks for watching my video. Kindly like it, share it and comment on it. Also subscribe my channel to get my updated videos.